Total of 6 questions, 3 questions each, and we'll alternate the questions. And let's say I ask Ioana the first question. If she gets it right, she gets a point. If she doesn't get it right, then you get a chance at it, and you would get the point. And all the questions are 1 point each, even though some might be harder than others. And so the way we're going to do it is the team with the most points will declare it to be the winning team. All right, it won't be like golf. And so remember the team. You're really team A, B, right? All right, and so. Good. And so you can cheer, you want to cheer for your teammate, but don't give her the answers. And in this case, this is not a her, but you can cheer for your teammate, but don't give him the answers. All right? Are you ready? And then the person who's at the winning team, everyone in the winning team will win a Pi Day T-shirt, which is a very handy thing to have, especially in this weather. And then the person who answers the question, in addition to getting the T-shirt, will also get a bag of free gifts. The bag is huge. It's bigger than the hall. We couldn't even move it in. It's so many free gifts. All right. So are you ready? Now we're going to start with the blue team, which is the B team. All right. There we go. That's what we want to hear. All right. How many polynomials with rational coefficients have a 0 or root of pi? Oh, yeah, and you can think about it while she's doing it, and vice versa.
How much time is there time or?
A reasonable amount of time, let's say. You have maybe 15 more seconds.
I'd say none, but I'm sure there's a trick.
Can't help.
We're not allowed now. None.
None? That's correct. Yes, of course. Yes, none. Very good.
It's going to be my guess.
1 point for the blue team. All right, she guessed it first. All right. There we go. All right, now for a chance to tie, is 22/7 less than, equal to, or greater than pi? We'll give you 3 choices there. The multiple choice.
Well, I know it's not equal.
You may have helped her in case you get it wrong.
If she thinks it's equal, then then she deserves. Okay, so let's see.
So
I have to use my estimating ability. What exactly would 22 over 7?
yeah, and you got the clipboard if you need it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
We didn't just have that so you could balance yourself in case you were tipping over. Now, see, they're going to try to support you by being quiet. But if you wanted to cheer them, that's okay too. Just don't cheer the answer. Now, which one of you is Mr. T on the A team? Danny got it. That's good. Using his estimating skills, you have about 10 more seconds. Thinking very hard. 10 seconds is a long time, actually. But we're just about at the end of it.
Not when you're under the camera.
I know, exactly, when the pressure's on. All right, we're thinking now we need your answer. So less than, equal to, or greater than pi?
I would have to say less than.
Oh, that's not correct.
It's greater.
Very good. It is greater than. You get the, like 3.14, and then the 7 start off 1.4, and so the next thing couldn't be 1, and so the 22/7 must be bigger because it has that group of 6 that it repeats for 7s. All right, so you have 2 points now, an almost insurmountable lead, but not insurmountable at all. All right, so now this question is supposed to be a little bit harder, even though so those are the easiest ones you have. That's right. All right, what film won the Director's Award at the 1988 Sundance Festival? Very good. Pi, it was Pi. 3 points for the B team. Come on, A team, what the heck? All right, now turn to your team for support. Say you need them. You need help. All right. A. All right, are you ready? All right, you better be. All right. Pi Day is March 14th. This is not a true or false. Pi Day is March 14th. What famous scientist was born on that day in 1879? Very famous scientist.
Scientist, not a mathematician.
Not really thought of as a mathematician, no.
I have no idea.
You could guess someone if you want to. You could just say greater than again and see if it's right this time.
I'm going to go with equal to.
No, but no, you can guess someone if you want to, or you can just pass if you don't think you can get it. Yeah, it doesn't hurt to guess.
Scientists.
You don't know any?
No.
Like Newt Gingrich or anyone like that?
I'm thinking it's too early to be Einstein, but I'll go with Einstein.
What's the answer on that card?
Einstein.
Einstein, very good. Nicely done. All right, 1 point for you, 3-1. Very good. See, you've got to trust your instinct. The only instinct you had at that point. You couldn't think of another scientist, but that's when he was born. That's right. All right, now these are supposed to be a little bit harder, but you might not find them that way. And it's not going to be what year did pi win the film festival award. In the decimal expansion of pi, what digit appears after the first zero?
What digit appears after?
This is where you're hoping to be wearing your pi shirt, actually, but you're not. There's not one in sight, I don't think. Don't be distracted by the disco light. Well, it is kind of hard. Some people really memorize those digits, but it doesn't hurt to guess.
I don't do that.
4? Not correct.
It's not 4.
It was a good guess, though.
Now don't say that.
So it's not 4.
Not 4, very good.
I used to know pi up to many digits, and now I can't do it anymore. There's a great pi song.
There is.
But
Now's the chance to summon it. Is it that one guy about the guy with the Chevy and the levee? Not that one? Okay, no.
How do you represent 0 in a pi?
How go on?
How do you represent 0 in the pi song?
Oh, they have various ways of doing that. Like sometimes they put a space in when they do words, but I don't know how they did it in his song.
I can't do it.
You don't even want to guess? Nine's not a bad guess either. You both guessed perfect squares. It turns out to be 2, and that's in positions 32 and 33 after the decimal point. Oh, I know, it's kind of hard. All right, but now you get another question also about the decimal expansion of pi. And then at this, I'm sorry, it's 3-1, so you might consider it an insurmountable lead, but we might throw in that special rule where he would get 4 points for this. No, it's still worth 1 point. The B team is very happy about the fact that we're not making up the rules as we go along. This is also about the decimal expansion of pi. What is the first digit to appear in succession, like 22 or 77? And so this is, you might think again, kind of multiple choice. And it's the regular base 10.
Well, I do remember one verse in the song, so I know one digit that repeats sort of towards the beginning, but that might not be the first occurrence, so I'm going to do it once in my head. I'm not going to sing it out loud for the camera.
Not? That's what this is all about.
Putting your right foot in.
Very good, yes. Shake it all around.
I'm going to say it's a 3-3.
3-3 is right in positions 24 and 25. That's very good. Nicely done. And so a last-minute comeback, unfortunately, is not quite enough. The B team wins 3-2, but that's very good. Juana, you win, and your team wins the T-shirts and the luggage tags and everything else in the gift pack. And now Drew has an announcement that you don't want to miss.
Both of our contestants are awarded the AMS exclusive Pi Day T-shirts. And
this is reversed.
to our winner, an AMS gift bag full of plenty of goodies. Let's hear it for our contestants.
And a cup of coffee. They got a cup of coffee too.
Team B, you can come and collect your T-shirts. Let's hear it for our host, Mr. Who Wants to Be a Mathematician, Mike Breen.
Right, my mother named me Who Wants to Be a Mathematician.
Follow the AMS on Twitter at AmerMathSoch and Facebook.com/AmerMathSoch. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks very much for coming.